everyone, Shraddha here. So here I'm going to share one important tip. So when we get top voice or say community top voice on LinkedIn, there is another benefit of getting it. So you can see my skill section, right? If I click on this see my all skills, so you can see the list here, and for whatever topics I have got the top voice badge, so you can find all these topics right there. So if even somebody is checking my skills to get my services, so they'll get to know, yeah, that I am doing well in this particular subject or topic. You can see recognized as a top marketing voice on LinkedIn, right? So like not just this one, but others, like you can see other top training voice on whatever say whatever badges I've got. If these badges, this the topic of these badges are there in my skills part, so it will be showing like this: recognized as a top voice, top training voice on LinkedIn, or marketing voice, or digital marketing, or writing voice. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits of getting it, so just go and get it within 3 to 5 days. And yeah, make sure to choose, if you are, suppose if you have got three top badge like top voice badges for three topics, so make sure to select that one that in which you have great like command, okay, while working, or you are very much good, your expertise is right there for that topic, so you can choose that topic. Okay, or make sure to cover any such topic that is an umbrella to cover some multiple like skills. If I talk about, you can see my profile, I have chosen for digital marketing. Okay, so for digital marketing there are a lot of things inside digital marketing: email marketing, paid campaign, social media marketing, and like there, then writing, blogging also comes inside digital marketing. Okay, then inbound marketing, outbound marketing, influencer marketing. So there are a lot of things that can come inside digital marketing. That's why I had chosen that topic, like digital marketing topic. So make sure to choose to choose relevant topic that can help you to cover most of your skills. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to comment any topic, or you are facing any issue regarding top voice badge or anything, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.